body parts, body parts.
Head, head. I have a headache. I have a headache. Eyes, eyes. She has blue eyes. She has blue eyes. Ears, ears. His ears stick out. His ears stick out. Nose, nose. My nose is blocked up. My nose is blocked up. Mouth, mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Face, face. He has a big smile on his face. He has a big smile on his face. Teeth, teeth. Brush your teeth twice a day. Brush your teeth twice a day. Hands, hands. My hands are ice cold. My hands are ice cold. Hair, hair. Her hair is long and curly. Her hair is long and curly. He licked his fingers. He licked his fingers. Chin, chin. She rubbed her chin thoughtfully. She rubbed her chin thoughtfully. Cheek, cheek. She kissed her lightly on the cheek. She kissed her lightly on the cheek. Neck, neck. Wear a scarf to keep your neck warm in winter. Wear a scarf to keep your neck warm in winter. Shoulders, shoulders. My shoulders are sore from carrying bags. My shoulders are sore from carrying bags. Chest, chest. The doctor listened to my chest with a stethoscope. The doctor listened to my chest with a stethoscope. Torso, torso. Keep your torso upright. Keep your torso upright. Stomach, stomach. I have a stomachache after eating too much. I have a stomachache after eating too much. Back, back. Sit up straight and don't slouch your back. Sit up straight and don't slouch your back. Arms, arms. She lifted the heavy box with her arms. She lifted the heavy box with her arms. Lips, lips. Apply some lip balm to moisturize your lips. Apply some lip balm to moisturize your lips. Tongue, tongue. She has a tongue piercing. She has a tongue piercing. Elbows, elbows. Rest your elbows on the table. Rest your elbows on the table. Nails, nails. I need to trim my nails. I need to trim my nails. Bottom. Bottom. My bottom ached after the fall. My bottom ached after the fall. Waist. Waist. I cinched my belt around my waist. I cinched my belt around my waist. Legs. Legs. She stretched her legs after a long day of sitting. She stretched her legs after a long day of sitting. Knees. Knees. She fell and scraped her knees. She fell and scraped her knees. Ankles. Ankles. She sprained her ankle while playing soccer. She sprained her ankle while playing soccer. Feet. Feet. My feet are tired from walking all day. My feet are tired from walking all day. Toes. Toes. Wiggle your toes in the sand at the beach. Wiggle your toes in the sand at the beach. Thigh. Thigh. Her thigh muscle tensed up. Her thigh muscle tensed up. Heels. Heels. She walked gracefully in high heels. She walked gracefully in high heels. Shin. Shin. She gave him a kick on the shin. She gave him a kick on the shin.